Wow, would you look at this? We've got rain at last. This morning I'm going to be pumping in another couple of the Dailies trees. This is my Wampee, and the Wampee's a subtropical again, native to China, highly regarded fruit, yellow skin, grape-like clusters, slightly acidic, pleasantly aromatic. So we're going to see how he goes in a pot. Squeeze the pot to get him out. So this is the reconstituted potting mix, like I've made before, with fresh potting mix and a bit of garden soil from Aldi on top, just mixing to give it some extra body. And on top we have fresh potting mix. So there's our Wampee in. Needs a bit more potting mix in there. Now, because it's not a native, we're going to get some NPK and pop that on. I'll use up the last of my blood and bone as well. Going out to Green Life Soil soon to get some more. Can't live without that. Alright, let's go and get some fertilisers for it. Alright, so we'll put a couple of small handfuls of the pretty stock standard NPK here on top. And a good handful or two of blood and bone. Stir that in a little bit, just scrape it in, that'll be okay. And then cover them up with our Triple C. And there we go, our Wampee is in. I'll do a separate shot for each of the trees, so it's going to be easier for me to locate the progress on each one. If you're following along the Tree Diaries, good on you. Please do. Like to have you with me on the journey. So Wampee done. Next one. Catch you in the garden.